Cooking, madam. Teaching madam to cook pap for the first time. This is the first time she's cooking pap, so I need her to cook. Actually, I just thought of it a little bit late to say, let me just record this. Okay, open the pot. The pot. No, why are you taking that?
Because it's hot.
It's not. Take it out. Put it aside. Put it like this. Like that, like this. Because it's gonna stay. Yes, something like that. Right. Take the cooking. This is called a cooking stick. Small. Slowly, like this. Like this. Like this. We don't want to see millimil on the stove. We are not going to see millimil on the stove, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, we don't want to see millimil on the stove. So this is how you do it. Let's do it. Make sure your hands are strong when you're holding that thing. Keep doing it until all the millimil is inside. We don't want to see millimil outside. Right? Hold on. The same thing again. I don't want to see millimil on the stove. Do it nicely. I showed you how to do it like this. Like this. Nicely. I don't want to see millimil on the stove. Nicely. Like this. Do it. You can't do when you are holding the stick here. Hold the stick close like this. Use power. Power. Use power. Now you do as we do. Normally what you do, make sure you're holding it tightly on the handle there. You're holding it tightly. Do it like what we do, like that is not cooking pap. That is not cooking pap. That is not cooking pap. Hold on. Hold the pot. When you do it like this. This is what I want you to do, like this. You see what I'm doing? You see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Because all the lamps, I need you to destroy all the lamps that are in the pap. Right? You're not going to add any more millimil because you can see it's fine. But you need to do it again. Do it. Let's see. The lamps will not go away when you're doing like that. The stick, you must feel the stick coming to the pot like this. Coming to the pot. Use your hands. Okay, it's not fine because it's not getting to the pot, but it's fine. I've done it. Let's remove the stick nicely. I don't want to see a mess. You don't have to create a mess on the pot or on the stove. So there's no need to go all around. You just need to do like this. Only just like this. Hold the pot just like this. I don't want to see all the mess. Just like this. Simple. Then you close the pot. It's not even hot. I don't know why you're using that dish towel. It's not even hot. Relieve the dish towel. It's not even hot. Now you can close this and put it back where it stays. Close this. Put it back where it stays. And come back here. When it is simmered again, you do the same process again, yeah, before you put it in the plate. And you are going to show me how you put it on the plate. It has to be nice. Anyway, for the first time, I'll let you do whatever that you do. But you need to try and make it nice in the plate, yeah. Take this. Let's do it again.
Let me mixing?
Yes, mix. No, yeah. Put it down.
It is
Kelly, this is how you do it. Check. Look. This is how you do it. Look. You don't touch here. Closer, right? Your pot strongly. You do like this. You see what I'm doing? You see? It's not even going out. You see? This is what we call kumona sadza in Shona. You are monitoring the sadza like this. You see? Just like that, right? I want you to do it one more time. Let's do it. Okay, we say today is the first time, so there is always tomorrow. Close it and let it simmer again while you are preparing your plate and whatever that you have, your plate for the person who's eating. There's always tomorrow again.